Hello, in this very short video I'm just going to introduce to you HTML editors. You'll need a HTML editor to edit the web pages in Make Good Money, and the good part is they're really easy to use and they're free to download. According to Wikipedia, a HTML editor is a software application for creating web pages. And really, you might have heard, if you're not familiar with already, a lot of HTML coding issues, but really for purposes of Make Good Money, in fact many web pages, the what you see is what you get editor, a HTML editor, is all you need, and you don't really need any technical skills to be able to work them. It's just simply familiarity. But I'll show you a couple here that are very popular, and one in particular that is not so popular but I use and find really good. Let's have a look at PageBreeze here. PageBreeze, it's free here. Click down to download. Pretty much like, I know some people that use this regularly and think it's one of the best ones on the market, but they are, like I say, pretty similar wherever you look. Really, there are a number of them on the market. PageBreeze is one of them that you might want to look for a download free HTML editor here. So PageBreeze is one. A very popular one, of course, that you would no doubt come across is NVU. Again, a free download here. Very simple interface using. If you download these sorts of free applications, there's usually a donate button on some of them, and I encourage you to throw in a couple of cents here, because this is a free download and it's an extremely useful tool for you to use. So NVU is another one, but here's one you may not have seen. SeaMonkey. And now SeaMonkey gives you a number of other which I won't go into here, but it gives you a number of other applications that come with SeaMonkey, and I'll show you the HTML editor part. This is what you get once you download SeaMonkey here. Oops. And I'll open the editor on this button here, which is called Composer, down the bottom here. And that's the screen. I like this particularly because it's really simple to use. There's no other complications here. All of this is familiar in terms of formatting your web pages. Very simple interface with SeaMonkey. I'm going to open a document. Let's go to actually one of the Make Good Money ones here. So I've gone to a HTML or a HTML document, and I'm going to open that right into SeaMonkey now. There you go. There's the Make Good Money template with Bill McRae, and I can put my arrow there, and I can put in my headline there, and I can format that, which you'll see me do in future videos here in any way I want to, like this, by simply changing the colors and putting in forms in there. Another thing to note, down the bottom here you've got a normal view, which is what you use when you're actually editing your page. HTML tags, I wouldn't worry too much about that. Your source document, there may be some fiddling around in here later on with when you insert web forms, opt-in forms, etc. in the source document, but don't be too worried about that. And also the preview, which basically gives you the look of it, how it looks without all those funny editing boxes at the start. But the main pane you'll work in is in this format here, which is the editing format for each web page. So that's SeaMonkey here. But like I say, I don't save that. Like I say, they're all pretty similar in terms of, and you've really got to look. I look for simplicity in a HTML editor, and I find that SeaMonkey is one of the simplest, and I've never had any problems with it whatsoever. So, but it's entirely up to you, and they probably all do a pretty good job. So get yourself a HTML editor if you haven't already got one. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope that's useful for you. Thank you.